सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कारः। अद्य नूतनः श्लोकः पठ्यते मन्ये। अस्मिन् पुस्तकस्थः श्लोकसङ्ख्या वर्तते 20 श्लोकः, 20तमः श्लोकः। गीतायां तु पञ्चमाध्याये 10मः श्लोकः। अस्मिन् गीतासङ्ग्रहे 20 श्लोकसङ्ख्या, तत्र तु 10मः अस्ति। ततः पूर्वं, बिफोर दैट I think we पर्याय शब्दास we have to explain one, Srinivas, before we move on to the next. We stopped after yathartha swarupam.
Yes.
Yathartha swarupam. After that
paramarthah.
Yeah.
Paramah shrestah arthah, paramah mukhyah arthah, prayojanamiti vigrahe mokshah.
So paramartha means moksha, that is paramah shrestah artha, the highest objective of life. Like we say, chaturvida purusharthaah santi khalu. Chaturvida purushartheshu paramaha antimaha tatra purusharthaah moksha eva. एवं परमः श्रेष्ठः अर्थः, परमः मुख्यः अर्थः, प्रयोजनमिति विग्रहे मोक्षः इति सिद्धितार्थः. So that is the final meaning of that paramartha. सारः स्थिरे इति गै.
स्थिरांशः परमेश्वरे.
So स्थिरांशः, something which is very firm. So what is firm is Parameshwara. So it refers to also Sara means Parameshwara. Ekam
शिवं शान्तमनन्तमच्युतं
परात्परं
ज्ञानमयं विशेषं अद्वैतमव्यग्रमचिन्त्य
अद्वैतम् अव्यग्रम अचिन्त्य रूप सारं तु एकं सारंत्वेकम सारंतु एकम न अस्ति सारं ततो अन्यत्. कालिका पुराण, somewhere this quotation is found. So ekam shivam, the one, sara here refers to ekam shivam, the holy, shantam, peaceful, anantam, achyutam, infallible, parat param, greater than the greatest, jnanamayam, full of knowledge, vishesham, special, advaitam, without any second, advaitam avyagram, undisturbed. Avyagram means not disturbed, tranquil, almost the same, steady also it means. Avyagram achintyam, unimaginable it is, that paratattva. Achintya rupa saram, achintya rupa saram, brahmanaha tatra kinchit varnam ivache. Achintya rupa saram iti saram tu ekam, there is one thing which is unimaginable, and na asti saram, there is no other sara, tato anyat, than that, there is no other stability, or you can say sara means here essence other than that. Kalika Puranam Sreshtaha. So why balam? Last saram also means balam, that is why I have given. Dadhyuttaram, some koshas have given. Sara also means balam. Saravat means balavat. So balam, dadhyuttaram, dadhi uttaram, that is the skim of curdled milk, whey. That is also called sara. Sara means essence in ordinary language. In Vyavaharika Bhasha, sara means essence. Like people drink sara. Any flowers, sara is made from flowers, sara is made from grapes, wine, what we call wine, etc. So that is the end of this श्लोकः दशमः श्लोकः पठ्यताम्। ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा करोति यः पठतु
ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि
संगम त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्बसा. सो अत्र पदच्छेदः एवमस्ति ब्रह्मणि आधाय कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा करोति. सर्वाणि पदानि अपि मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर व्यस्त पदानि आर सेपरेटेड ओनली. लिप्यते न सह पापेन पद्मपत्रम इव अंभसा. So wonderful, beautiful upama is given here. Comparison, Padmapatra. So the mind has got to be trained up through yoga, whatever yoga one undertakes, and that should be made converted like a Padmapatra. So this Padmapatra living in the water, we human beings living in the material world, samsara. Just like the Padmapatra is not touched by the moistened or by the water, cannot be moistened by the water, wetted, it can't be wetted by the water. So should our mind be not affected by the samsaric things. Though living in samsara, though living in water, it should not be drenched, it should not be wetted. Similar should be the attitude of a yogi. This is the beautiful, most beautiful example. Padaparicayam Srinivas, Brahmani, Brahman, Brahman Shabda. That is Visleshna. So this is Napumsaka Brahma, Brahmani, Brahmani, Brahma, Brahmani, Brahmani, Brahmana, Brahmane, Brahmana, Brahmani iti Saptami. Yeah. Adhaya. आ इति उपसर्ग धा इति धातुः ल्यबन्तं. कर्माणि नकार. You tell the other two. Karmani is bahuvachana. Karma karmani karmani. Sangam sangaha sangau sangaha sangam. Akaranta just like Deva Shabda. Tyaktva. What could be the dhatu here? Tyaja. Tyaja, tyaga, tyaja, tyaktva, karoti. This is also a very popular verb we have studied. Karoti, kurutaha, kuruvanti, karoshi, kurutaha. Kurutha, karomi, kurvaha, kurmaha iti latlakare. Yaha. Several times we have studied. Yaha yav ye iti lipyate, lipa iti dhatuhu. Latlakare. Yeah, this is karmani. Lipyate, lipyete, lipyante iti. Passive voice construction. Na iti avyayam saha. Papena. Padmapatram akaranta napumsakam. Iva iti avyayam ambhasa. Like any sakaranta napumsaka. Manas. Manaha. Manasi, manamsi, ambaha, ambhasi, ambhamsi. Iti. Evam rupena. Now, when I read Gita, you should also begin. How important I am repeating the Sarvanama Shabdas. Yad especially and tad so frequently come there, without which, the knowledge of which is very essential to understand. Ya karoti. Yaha bhajati, yomam janati, everywhere you get here. Yad and tad. Padocharana, pada chedabhyasa, sorry. Brahmanyadhaya, vichedam. Adhaya, already done that. This is what Sandhi? Ganadesha Sandhi. It's not asking Sandhi name, but still you can. Sa papena. Now this is exception to Visarga Sandhi. Visarga followed by, we said, soft consonant. Pakara is not soft consonant. It is a hard consonant. Mrudu, Vyanjana, it is not. It is Katora Vyanjana. But exception to that, the final of Saha, Visarga, the final Visarga of Saha and Eshaha is dropped before all consonants except vowel a. So by that exception this comes up apena. Padmapatram iva.
Padmapatram plus iva.
That is simple joining, you know that. Brahmaiva.
Brahma plus iva.
But this is not there in the sloka. No? No, not there. This is not slokas.
Yeah.
Brahmavid Brahmaiva bhavati. Brahmavid Brahmaiva bhavati. There you get it. Ivambhasa.
Iva plus ambha.
Savarna. For examples more I want to give here. Sapapena like sa. Saha pashyati. Sapashyati. Saha pashyati. Saha devaha. Sadevaha. Exception to it. Like that. Eshaha karoti. Esha karoti. Etc. या वर्गीकरणाभ्यास प्रथमांत त्रीणि पदानि श्लोकस्था यः प्रथमांत पदानि त्रीणि सन्ति तत्र यः इति प्रथमपदं सः इति द्वितीयं पद्मपत्रमिति तृतीयं यः सः पद्मपत्रम् एतानि त्रीणि प्रथमायां सन्ति प्रथमान्तानि द्वितीयान्तपदानि द्वे
ब्रह्मणि कर्माणि
न ब्रह्मणि द्वितीयान्तं कथं भवति कर्माणि इति एकं सङ्गमिति द्वितीयं ब्रह्मणि सप्तमी खलु ब्रह्मण्याधाय ब्रह्मणि सप्तमी कर्माणि अच्छा एक व्हाट इज द सप्तमी ऑफ कर्माणि एकवचन कर्म शब्द कर्मणि यू आर मिस्टेकन देयर यू आर मिसगाइडेड बाय दैट दिस सप्तमी ऑफ कर्म शब्द इज कर्मणि ब्रह्मणि सो कर्माणि यू आर I can understand that made you think it is Dvitiya. Because the Saptami of this is already Brahmani is looking like Karmani. Brahmani is sounding like Karmani. Although Karmani is Dvitiya. So that is, yeah, anyway, doesn't matter. Trutiyantam dve papena antima padam ambhasa ambhasa manasa like papena ambhasa iti trutiyanta padani padadvayam saptamyanta padam ekam now you take brahmani napumsakalinga pada panchakam panchapadani idanim napumsakalinga padani brahmani karmani papena padmapatram ambasa इति एतानि पंचपदानि नपुंसकलिंगपदानि सप्तम्यन्तं वर्ण पंचम्य नपुंसकलिंगं पुल्लिंगं पुल्लिंगपदानि त्रीणि let us see यः सः I think only two are there सः यः सः Pullinga pada Padmapatram Napumsakambasa only two not three so there is a correction here Pullinga padani kevalam dve stah two yeah avyayani chatvari four avyayas adhaya tyaktva na iva adhaya tyaktva na iva iti chatvari avyaya padani agre gatva kriya padani क्रियापदद्वयं स्पष्टमस्ति करोति लिप्यति करोति लिप्यति सर्वनाम शब्दद्वयं यः सः so this is the analysis of classification of the words into their आकांक्षा विस्तारः Srinivas karoti does कर्तरि क्रिया मुख्या this is the main verb in active voice कः करोति who does यः करोति यः means the one who does यः means the one who does यः किं करोति The one who does what? The one who does what? Karmani, actions. The one who performs the actions, undertakes the actions. Yaha karmani kim krutva karoti? What does the one do the actions thinking what? Doing what? Adhaya. Adhaya. Placing. Adhaya. Yaha karmani kutra adhaya sthapayitva. Adhaya nama sthapayitva karoti. The one who does the actions, perform the actions, placing where? Placing the actions where? Nakaranta napumsalinga saptami ekvachana. Brahmani. Placing the actions in Brahma, one who performs the actions. Punascha kim krutva karoti, again doing what does he do? The actions. किम कृत्वा अकारांत न अकारांत पुल्लिंग द्वितीय अच्छा त्यक्त्वा पुनश्च किम कृत्वा त्यक्त्वा त्वांतम लीविंग अगेन लीविंग किम त्यक्त्वा करोति लीविंग व्हाट डज ही परफॉर्म द एक्शंस अकारांत पुल्लिंग द्वितीय एकवचनम संगम त्यक्त्वा अटैचमेंट यह कर्माणि ब्रह्मणि आदाय संगम त्यक्त्वा करोति तेन किम भवति व्हाट डज हैपन टू दैट पर्सन who leaving the attachment, keeping the attachment away and performing the actions, basing them in Brahma. Na lipyate, acha is given already. Na lipyate na badhyate. Such a person is not tainted, not contaminated. He is not bound. He is not bound. Kaha na lipyate, who is not tainted or contaminated? Akaranta napumsa. Saha. He is not tainted. He is not contaminated. Saha kena hetuna na lipyate. He is not tainted or contaminated by what reason? Papena. By the sin. Yaha papena lipyate kim iva. Saha papena na lipyate kim iva. Like he is not tainted or contaminated by the sin, like what? Akarantanam. Padma. Padmapatram. Kimiva? Padmapatram iva. Padmapatram kena na lipyate. The lotus leaf is not tainted by what? Ambhasa. Now I think I have told you, I had one student long back, one doctor, very brilliant medical doctor. So I was teaching him. So he was reminded of, we say papa, papa, they say sin, sin, sin. It is a sin to do this, it is a sin to do that in English. So he is a doctor, so immediately said, sir, our entire medicine is full of sins only. Metacins, crocin, this, and he went on giving so many names are there with ending with sin only in English, allopathic medicines. Our medicine is full of sins, sir. Then the whole class laughed off. Papam sin. Now I remember that incident. Anvayaha. Yeah, I can read.
Karmani brahmani adhaya sangam tyaktva karoti saha ambhasa padmapatram iva papena lipyate. Yaha purusha. Yaha yogi, karma yogi, karmani, actions, brahmani, making Brahma as the location, what do you call the ground, brahmani, on Brahma, adhaya, living, placing, sangam tyaktva. So whatever you do, we are supposed to do, we do, Krishnarpanamastu. That is it. One mantra will solve all the problems. Yad juhoshi dadasi ashnasi tad kuru madarpanam. Gita says that whatever you sacrifice, whatever you eat, whatever you do, you make it. So that is the one of the explanations given by Acharyas that whatever we offer to the God, whatever offering we made to the God, then it is not called food, it is called prasada. That is the mercy of the Lord, that he eats and he leaves almost the same thing. He consumes and he is worried about his devotees. So he leaves the same. So it is sanctified. Because for every action you are not supposed to eat anything. Religiously speaking, even from the Gita philosophy. Yagnasishta ashinas santo muchyante sarvakil vishayi. That poem I have quoted. Bhunjate tu agham papam ye pachanti atmakaranat. Those who cook for the satisfaction of the tongue, they are eating agham papam, ghoram papam they are eating. So, yagnasishta ashinas santo, those who eat after doing the sacrifice, that reaction is taken by the Lord. So, it is there in any religion. Thou shalt not eat a fruit. Old Testament. You can't eat even a fruit without offering it to the Lord. I think I read very, very long back. So something like that. Yaha karmani brahmani adhaya samarpya sangam tyaktva, leaving the attachment. Now see, Srinivas, we are reading through all these poems. Of course, so many poems are skipped here. Attachment should be avoided. Attachment should be avoided. The whole problem now in the world is that we are all, I am not an exception here, we are all knowingly or unknowingly getting unnecessarily attached to things. And there comes the problem. The moment, as long as we are attached, that asakti, as long as it is there, yavat asaktir bhavati tavat samasyaha utpadyanti. Gita in very clear terms says, don't have any attachment. Do your job, forget about the results, and everything will be all right. You will be all right. So, sangam tyaktva karoti saha, such a person, ambasa padmapatramiva papena na lipyate. He is not tainted, his mind is not contaminated, who is performing his actions, keeping all of them, basing them in God conscious, being God conscious, and leaving aside the attachment. His mind will not be tainted by these, like what? Like the lotus leaf, untouched by the water, though it is living in the water. What more beautiful example can be there? We go to Padartha Srinivas. Yaha Karmani. Now, before that, I will read the Nilakanta's remarks I have made here. Yato Vidwan, because a scholar, Panditaha, Asangatvat, a Pandita is supposed to have Asangatva. Satsangatve Nisangatvam. That is why Satsanga is recommended to have Asangatva. Yataha Vidwan Asangatvat Kuruvannapi Karmani na lipyati. Why is not a yogi or a pandita is not tainted by the actions? Because asangatva. Yataha vidwan asangatvat, due to his disassociation, detachment, kurvannapi karmani na lipyati. Even while performing the actions, he is not affected by them. Tasmad avidvanapi. Therefore, even a fellow who is not a vidwan, avidvanapi, brahmani sarva sarvantaryamini, avidvanapi sarvantaryamini, karmani adhaya, he should also base all his actions, ayameva karayita, and then placing all your actions on the God, ayameva karayita. God is alone making me do this. Ayameva karayita natvaham karta iti. And he should think, avidwan also should think, natu aham karta. Ayameva bhagavan karayati, brahma eva karayati, etani
सर्वाणि कर्माणि न तु अहं कर्ता इति समर्प्य यः कर्माणि करोति, one who does perform with this kind of samarpana bhava, papena na lipyate ambasa, he will not be also tainted like the Padma Patramiva ambasa. So that is a beautiful. So you have to repose all your actions in Brahma, and at the same time there are two things here. You perform things for Brahma with detachment. That's all. This poem says that. Now we'll go ahead. Which one? Narayana samarpayami. The same thing. Whatever you do physically, kayena vacha, whatever you utter verbally, whatever you think mentally, so that there should be a coordination between the three functions of the human beings, that is bodily, verbal and the mental. Kayena vacha manasa, there should be coordination. Like we have so many subhashitas. Manasyekam karmanyekam vachasyekam duratmanam. Karmanyekam vachasyekam vachasi. What is that? Karmanyekam manasyekam vachasyekam something. Mahatmanam. Very beautiful it is. There is only one thing of the great people in action, in words, and also in mind. But that is different in three places. They think, the Duratma thinks something, says something, does something. There is total, there is no coordination between his thinking and between his talking, like some of the politicians, we should not name them, who say something and do something. Many of them are like that. So that is, that's beautiful. Karmani
Kartavyani Brahmani Parameshware.
Brahmani Parameshware. Sarvantaryamini, Nilakanta says, Sarvantaryamini. Ishware, some Shankaracharya says Ishware, Brahmani. Brahma is Ishwara. Yes, Adhaya Samarpya. Sangam Asaktim Tyaktva Karoti Vidhatti Saha Purushaha Ambhasa Padmapatram Kamalam Iva Yata Papena Bandhana Karanena. So Papa is Bandhana Karana. It is the source of our bondage. Punati iti punya. Punya is opposite of this. It protects you. How can punya, yes, at a higher level you have to give up both. We have that Traigunya Vishaya Vedaha Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna. Somewhere it comes there. So even the entire Vedas deal with the Trigunas. Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. And the combination of these. So one has to go beyond the Trigunas. Traigunya Vishaya Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna. You are right that. Ultimately that also has to be given up. Next. Liptaha Bhavati. So Bhavartha is coming.
Urvasmin Shloke Naiva Kinchit Karoni Shukta
Kartuhu
Abhimana Rahityam Darshitam.
Okay, one sentence. Purvasmin Shloka, in the previous Shloka, Naiva Kinchit Karomi, I do not do anything. Iti Uktva, having said that, Kartuhu, doers, Abhimana Rahityam Darshitam. What is shown in the previous Shloka with the statement, Naiva Kinchit Karomi iti, I don't do anything. Kartuhu, the doers, Abhimana Rahityam, the lack of is pride is indicated. Abhimana is what? Garva, Madaha. Garvo, Mado, Abhimanaha. This is the Paraya Shabdas. Garvaha, Madaha, Abhimana. Both are, three are same, Srinivas. Yes. Kintu
Yasya Janasya Karobi iti Abhimanaha Asti तस्य कर्मलेपः अवश्यं
भावी. So you can pause there. Kintu but yasya purushasya janasya karomi. The moment a person thinks I do, I am the doer. Aham karta iti yada purushaha manyate yada tasya kurutaha kurvataha कर्माणि कुर्वतः पुरुषस्य मनसि यथा एतादृशी भावना जायते अहम करोमि अहम कर्ता इति. द मोमेंट दिस थॉट कम्स इनटू हिज माइंड करोमि इति अभिमानः अस्ति, प्राइड इज देयर, तस्य कर्म लेपः इमीडिएटली is what you call dabbed by the karma lepah is surrounded by karma. Avashyam bhavi, that means the smearing of karma will be definitely there.
अविशुद्ध चित्तत्वात् संन्यासः अपि नास्ति इति तस्य महत् संकटम् आगतम् इत्याशंकायां भगवान् समाधत्ते यः जनः सर्वमपि स्वस्य
विहितं
कर्तव्यजातं परमात्मनि निक्षिप्य तस्य फले ममतां
विहाय
कर्माणि अनुतिष्ठति.
Okay, so lengthy one. So avishuddha chittatvat, because the chitta mind is not being pure, because of the mind being impure, sannyasah, giving up also na asti, is not there. Sacrifice is also not there. Iti tasya mahat sankatam agatam. To such a person great danger comes about. A person who does not who thinks that I am the doer. But see, the whole world is going on this one principle. Aham karta, aham bhokta, aham srashta, aham devata. Finally, aham devata. See, the ego of man, not understanding the subtlety of nature, how nature works. I quoted last class also, it is there. Prakriti kriyamanani karmani gunaihi sarvashah ahankara vimudatma karta ahamiti manyati. Same thing here. So because of this, iti tasya maha sankatam agatam iti ashankayam. So great danger comes to such a person. Bhagavan, the Lord, samadhati, is answering, yaha janaha sarvamapi swasya vihitam karma kartavya jnatam. Kartavya jatam means the present vartamana karma. Whatever he is doing at present, all that swasya vihitam, whatever, that means whatever a man is assigned to do the job. Like in the context of Gita, Arjunasya kim vihitam asit yuddha karanam tasya vihitam asit, parantu sa yoddhum na ichchati sma, but he was not willing to fight. So Gita was necessitated to enlighten him that everyone should do in society is assigned job without any expectation in return. But everything is in return only nowadays. People are doing, forgetting this philosophy. Everybody does expecting something in return. In our own India also. So vihitam kartavya jatam vartamana karma paramatmani nikshipya, placing in the paramatma, tasya phale mamatam vihaya, leaving the attachment to the result of that. Karmani anutishthati, one who does this, yatha rajasevaka
कश्चित् कर्तव्यजातं महाजने समर्प्य
phalamsham
विना स्वकर्माणि
karoti. One example is given here. Yatha rajasevakaha, the servant of a king, kaschit, somebody, kartavya jatam rajani samarpya, like a servant of the king places these karma, kartavya jatam is action, what do you call, credits the doing of his action to the king. Rajani samarpya palasham vina, without the phala asha, without keeping any hope on the result, vina swakarmani karoti, he does. Because the king has ordered me, I will do it. Come what might.
सहजनः यथा वारिना सरोजं लिप्तं न भवति तथैव भवबन्धनकारणेन पापेन पापिष्टेन कर्मफलेन बद्धः न भवति.
Okay. Sahajanaha, third person, yatha varina sarojam padmapatram liptam na bhavati. Just like with varinama jalena, with water the lotus cannot be moistened. Tathaiva, in the similar manner, bhava bandhana karanena, because of the bhava bandhana, attachment to the worldly life, deha patya kalatradishu atma sainyeshu asaswapi tesham pramatto nidhanam pashyannapi na pashyati. Bhagavatam says deha apatya kalatra. These are the sources of attachment. First attachment source is your own body. The longer we look into the mirror and identify ourselves with the body, the greater the problem. Because this body is there, deha apatya. You go to the next step of greater attachment, children. Apatyani nama tatra santana. Deha apatya kalatra bharya. Now these three factors are very beautifully pointed out by Vyasa in Bhagavata. Deha apatya kalatradini atma sainyeshu. They are soldiers fighting with yourself. Body is constantly fighting for its survival. Again your extension, children, and then you fight. They are fighting against your interest. Atma sainyeshu asatswapi. They are not sat. Asat. They are asat. Deha is asat. Apatya, your children are asat. Your bharya is asat. Asatswapi asatsu api. Yanadesha sandhi. Tesham deha patra kalatradishu tesham pramattaha. Totally deeply engrossed, involved in the deha, involved in the children, involved in the wife. Tesham pramattaha unmattaha nidhanam nasham pashyan abhina pashyati. Man does not see his deterioration, his fall, though he sees his fall. Seeing also he neglects. Every man has some realization at some point of time that what I am doing is all waste. I am not happy with this. He knows that he is doing wrong thing. Pashyannapi na pashyati. Even though he doesn't realize. That is how beautifully Vyasa brought out that. Same thing here. So similarly, where we bhavabandha, that is bhavabandhana karanena, papena, papishtena, karma palena. So with the most sinful act result of the action is baddha na bhavati. Such a person does not become bound by the most papishta thing. Yes, you can go ahead. Iha
papa padena karma phalam kathitam.
So here specifically said here papa means not sin but karma phalam is sin.
Yatohi shubhamapi tat phalam bhavabandhanaya bhavati kim
Punaha ashubham. Just like he was pointing out papa and punya, shubhamapi tat phalam bhavabandhanaya bhavati. Even the good result also amounts to attachment. What to say about bad? Ashubhasya. Kim punaha ashubham phalam. Ashubham phalam. So the suggestion and the teaching of the Gita here in this sloka is that do things with a total detachment and what you call with samarpana buddhi, with an understanding that I am not the creator. These things were there, they are there, they will be there. I am here, I will be there, after some time I will be gone. Like so many things are there. Gita speaks very beautifully with this. Avabodha abhyasa. Now more understand.
Vihitam kartavya jatam.
Vihitam kartavya jata. Kartavya jata means vartamana karma. The present karma that is going on.
Vihitam kartavya.
Vihitam prescribed job. Prescribed.
Varnashrama dharma.
Not necessarily varnashrama dharma. Whatever, now varnashrama dharma may not be followed in such a way that Chaturvarnyam maya srishtam gunakarma vibhagashaha is their Gita's own language. Say you are a software engineer. You do it. Why are you afraid of? Why should you keep, one Swamiji was telling, Swamiji, there is always tension that I may be removed from job. Then you give up the job, he said. No, how can I give? Then why do you worry about it? Sometime I am going to be sacked. It is like a man thinking that I am going to die sometime. Everybody has to die. When death is certain, why should you think about it? See, you go mad if you always think that you are going to die sometime. Everybody has to die. You have to understand intelligently. Jatasya dhruvo mutyuhu, dhruvam janma mrutasya cha. Now, when it is clearly said that everything that is born must die, then no. If I die, what will happen to my family? Death is certain, Baba. How it is going to come, nobody knows. So, your removal from the company is certain. Why do you worry about it? Isn't it? If you worry unnecessarily, you will spoil yourself. Now, I remember in my child, Chinmayananda used to say, Swami Chinmayananda, don't have appointment with the future, that will only bring about disappointment, he said. He's right. Don't have appointment with the future. It will only give you disappointment. So just do, forget about this. In a way, it is a beautiful philosophy. Just simply do your job. Don't worry. Yeah. नैव किंचित करोमि इत्यनेन कर्तरि किम दर्शितम. What is shown in the doer by the word that नैव किंचित करोमि इति. That is, कर्तरि किम दर्शितम. कर्तरि अभिमान शून्यत्वम, अहंकार शून्यत्वम, गर्व राहित्यम, गर्व शून्यत्व, अभिमान. It is very easy to philosophize, teach than to practice these things, because the whole world is seized by ahankara. Everybody thinks I am the creator, and some of the bogus sadhus how they are doing and how they are followed. Innocent people do that, become the targets. Yeah, next, sangam kutra na kuryat. Where should you not have attachment? Where should you not have attachment? Sangam kutra na kuryat. From the Bhavartha you can look. Sangha to karma phala, Srinivas. You should not be attached to the karma phala. Karma phaleshu. Sangam karma phaleshu na kuryat. One should not have. Again, that most famous sloka of the Gita is Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Kartrutvaabhimanam sattve katham na lipyati. When the authorship, the pride of doing, being present, katham na lipyati, how is one not tainted? Katham lipyate or katham na lipyate? Kartrutva abhimanam sattve katham na lipyate.
इत्युक्ते अभिमानराहित्येन
अभिमानराहित्येन that अभिमान again same thing comes अभिमान शून्येन अभिमान राहित्येन न लिप्यते that is again ego is ego पापेन इति पदेन कस्य निर्देशः कृतः what is indicated by the word papa already in the top line कर्मफलं कथितं पापेन इति पदेन कर्मफलस्य निर्देशः कृतः कर्मफला is papa now we are given to understand here I have worked very hard this is my hard earned money that is papa. It is very difficult to understand this concept. Man works hard and then he is not supposed to take pride in the result. If you say that, it is papa. Because the idea is nothing is yours. What is ours? You are only taking from the nature, everything taking from the nature. Man is using so much nature, as a result now catastrophes are seen everywhere, all over the world now, earthquakes and then typhoons, tufans are coming. What is yours? Because we again go to the Ishavasyam. Ishavasyam idam sarvam. One line, finish. This entire universe is owned by Isha. Padmapatreena saha kasya kim sadrishyam asti. With the lotus flower, whose likeness is there? Comparison is there. Kasya kim sadrishyam asti. पद्मपत्रेण सह भव बंधनस्य isn't it? यथा वारिणा सरोजं लिप्तं न भवति तथैव भवबन्धन कारणेन पापेन पापिष्टेन कर्मफलेन बद्धनं. So that is it. पद्मपत्रेण सह भवबन्धनस्य पापराहित्यस्य सादृश्यम् अस्ति. पद्मपत्रेण सह भवबन्धनस्य पाप सादृश्य पापसादृश्यम् अस्ति. इह लिप्यते क्रियायाः कर्म किमस्ति? लिप्यते क्रियायाः कर्म किमस्ति? What is the object of the verb lipyate? What is the karma of the kriya lipyate? Can you find out that? सह इति कर्ता पापेन न लिप्यते अम्बसा पद्मपत्रमिव. What Srinivas? Sahane. Okay, right. Then sevakah kasmin adhaya karmani karoti. A servant of a king, as given in the Bhavartha, kasmin adhaya karmani karoti. He does actions, basing his actions on whom? Ragni Rajani adhaya karmani karoti sevakah.
अत्र स्थापयामः शुभं भूयात्